job with Wolves. Love watching your team play. Nori, one of my favourite players. Pedro, one of my favourite players. What is the plan for next season?
Yeah, so we've had a good year. Obviously, we need to strengthen a little bit. Try and do some business in the summer if we can. Strengthen. Try not to lose some of our ones that have had really good seasons. Obviously, like you said, João, Rayan, Pedro been excellent. Cunha, loads of them been really, really good. So try and keep the core together. Add a little bit more depth and see if we can do better again next year.
Second job in the Premier League. First job was Bournemouth. Unjust departure, in my opinion. You're now at Wolves. How are you enjoying the job? Well, clearly you're doing well, but
yes, it is good. Good club, big fan base. Good support from the sort of the guys upstairs, Matt Hobbs and the chairman. So yeah, and Bournemouth are doing really well as well, which is good because you want to see your old teams do well. So pleased that they've had a good season. And yeah, looking forward to a good break in the summer and try and come back again refreshed and stronger.
Hopefully next